Sunlight on a far-off shore, waves roll, dreams of before. Sand between my eager toes, adventure calls where wind blows. Oh yeah, mountains rise grand and tall, trees stand straight, green and all. Path went through the wild land, I start my quest hand in hand. Time unfolds as I roam free, new sights wait a mystery. Far from home yet at ease, world's my stage, a wild spree. Hey ho, travel tales, a bright show, new places, my heart does glow. Each step a story sown, in this trip I'm on my own. Travel dreams, a soft refrain, grand scenes in my domain. Dawn to dusk I won't wane, this travel song my soul's chain. Yeah, city lights all twinkling, old facades past time sinking. Market stalls, hues galore, stories shared, me and more. Lake so clear like the sky, clouds reflected slowly fly. Fields of flowers soft and sweet, wonder world at my feet. Moments pass like starlight, each side leaves a heart mark. Time may fly, always know these travels a warm glow. Whoa, travel tales, a bright show, new places, my heart does glow. Each step a story sown, in this trip I'm on my own. Travel dreams, a soft refrain, grand scenes in my domain. Dawn to dusk I won't wane, this travel song my soul's chain. Valleys low, mountains high, I keep moving out of sight. World's a book, I'll read it through. Alone or not, I'll push on too. No matter